Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car review. In today's video, we will be checking out the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series, colored in red as you can see right here. Nice box art. So you have some gray color and also some carbon fiber texture. So like a design box right here on the top. This is also a latest release by Tarmac. Here's the back side of the car. Over here you have the gorgeous T logo for Tarmac right there. Moving to the roof, of course it says Global 64 as per usual. Back right here, Tarmac for good. Leaning towards the base right here. Tarmac logo, Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series right here. You have your barcode and of course your Made in China logo right there. So yeah, as previously mentioned in the orange AMG GT Black Series video, of course I'll go through this one as well. This is also a new release from Tarmac. I actually bought this from the Tarmac website itself, and yeah, it came in quite a nice shape and size, of course. So first of all, before I show you the car, it does come with stickers, which are these. I don't know what are they for. They're sort of like racing number stickers and sort of like the FIA stickers, I think. Which yeah, honestly, I guess for those who are F1 fans, they would totally apply that, but I obviously won't, which is interesting. Logos right there. And here we have the main subject, which is the AMG Black Series in red and also in this stunning looking Formula 1 livery right here. Now that is just wild. So there are some differences between the orange Black Series and the safety car Black Series that we have right here. So let's take a closer look at it on the turntable. Right, there you go, the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series, colored in metallic red, which looks awesome right here. So the detail of the car is just wonderful. The design of the car is very nice. Obviously, since this is a safety car, yeah, you do have some extra details here and there, which I'm going to talk about later on. You even have some crazy looking sponsors here and there as well, which I really do like. So yeah, metallic red Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series, looking very nice. So let's go ahead and take a close look at the Mercedes AMG GT Black Series in this gorgeous looking metallic red right here. So we start off from the side of the car. So you have the F1 logo right there, Formula 1. You have the FIA logo as well, basically licensed by FIA and Formula 1. Crowdstrike right here at the side. You have this sort of bird design right here. I'm not really into Formula 1, so I'm not entirely sure what bird is this, but still you can let me know in the comments if you do know what that bird is about. So you have your rims, which are colored in black, and then you do have your sort of silver lining all over the edge of the rims, and of course you have your rubber tires right there. So basically you have your blacked out trim right here on the side skirt at the bottom. You do have some side intakes right here as well. So your rims, you do have your side mirror, which is plastic by the way, colored in black. That looks great. Towards the front of the car right here, we do have the front, which also looks great. You have your front grille details right here. Mercedes logo right there. Instead of the AMG license plate, it just says safety car right there. You have your front bumper as well, right there, colored in black, which looks gorgeous. Then you do have your, of course, aggressive headlights, which I forgot to mention. So So you have your headlight details right there, and then obviously your intakes right here on the side, which looks great, very nice. So over on the hood this time, you have the Crowdstrike logo right there, the Formula 1 logo, safety car, and also the FIA. And then you have some intakes right here, and these are colored in black right here, which looks nice, similar to the orange one. So let's see, blacked out interior, left-hand drive. It says AMG as the windshield banner right here, regular windshield tint. So yeah, blacked out interior, which looks great. So here's where you need to be very careful of, as if you've seen throughout the whole video, I never even touched the roof, as there are two interesting details right here, which is one, this object right here, which is in the middle of the roof, and another one would be the antenna, which is already angled such a way. So if you're wondering why is it angled such a way, I have no clue. It has always been like that. And the one in front of it, that mysterious black object, that is actually the camera for the safety car, for the car actually. So yeah, there is the camera for the AMG. Basically the siren for the car is basically just at the front right here, the back, and also at the bottom side of the rear spoiler, which I shall show you later on. So here is the other side, which is yeah, pretty much similar and very nice. Crowdstrike from the one, pretty much the same thing. Finally, let's move on to the back, but before that, the rear spoiler right here, which is which says Black Series right there on the top. You have the AMG windshield, sorry, not windshield, but the rear window banner. So here's the back of the car. Red out rear lights right there. Mercedes logo right there. You have your Crowdstrike logo right there. You do have the, of course, the tall rear bumper right there, high rear bumper. Then you have this blacked out trim in the back. You have your brake lights. You have the safety car logo right there. And then, of course, you do have your exhaust tips at the bottom right here as well, which looks absolutely stunning. Really like it. Let's take a look at the base now. Blacked out base, Tarmac works, Mercedes AMG GT Black Series, made in China. So yeah, that is quite a nice AMG GT Black Series. They're trying to copy what they've released before. I believe the 2019 AMG GTR safety car was also being made by Tarmac Works back in the day, colored in sort of silver with the sirens. That was sort of like a matte silver, and that was also a Formula 1 safety car. This one is also yet another Formula 1 safety car, of course, but this time it is colored in metallic red, and I really do like it. Since it doesn't really have a siren on the top, it doesn't really remind me of a safety car, nor if it does have like a siren bar, people might mistaken it as a sort of like a cop siren. But then again, the car itself already looks great. Love the red and white on this one mainly. The Crowdstrike design looks very nice. There is a chase version for this one as well, just if you're wondering. And Tarmac does like include in several other of their boxes of AMG Black Series, but who knows, if you're lucky maybe you'll get it. If not, then you shall remain with this one. But this is overall still a nice, beautiful looking AMG Black Series made by Tarmac Works. So let's put it on the mat since we have the track right here. And let's put it with the orange one, or let's just put it like this. So yeah, there you go. That was my review of the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series colored in red and orange. Sorry, just the red. The orange has been done in the previous video, and yet it still looks great up till now. As you can see, the red and orange AMG Black Series is overall a fantastic looking car, both of them. And there is a third color which I shall be revealing now, as this is an absolute exclusive model which not many people will be able to access and get their hands on. So here is the model. This is basically another AMG Black Series. This is the TWOC members only model, Mercedes-Benz AMG GT Black Series in matte blue, limited to 1,048 pieces worldwide, and they cost for around 14 to 15 USD in the Tarmac Works website, and you can only get it once you have the TWOC membership. Basically, you have your Mercedes licensing right there. Yeah, and it says matte blue, and it's a members only model. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That will be my next AMG GT Black Series unboxing. So yeah, there you go. That's my review of the red and orange Crowdstrike. Red and black Crowdstrike Mercedes AMG GT Black Series, the Crowdstrike F1 livery. That's all for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Some other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.